The Grapple Rake is engineered with a superior mainframe. Tubed steel construction supplies the grapple with strength and power. Made with T1 steel, you can be assured this unit was built to last. The 48-inch opening can latch onto anything, thanks to the two 3-inch by 8-inch 3,000-pound cylinders. Half-inch T1 curved teeth allow the grapple to glide over the ground. Excellent for using as a root rake or back raking debris into a pile. Plus, there's optimal spacing between the teeth for unwanted debris to fall through. Entering and exiting the cab is easy with the safety step. If there's one attachment you'll be glad to own, it's this one. With warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our dealers today.